I've been asked why I am running for Supreme Court Justice of the state of Washington. The reason is, as a practicing lawyer in the trenches, representing people, I know that our courts aren't working as well as they could. For example, the courts of appeal routinely do not publish 3/4 of their decisions. In a modern world, unpublished decisions make no sense. Lawyers and laymen alike must look at the law and be able to discern what it is. If 3/4 of your opinions aren't published, then how do you know what the law is? The common law is based on the premise that it develops over time. With more and more cases involving more and more facts having the same law applied to it. That way there's predictability for the citizens. As it is, our courts are not rendering predictable legal decisions and people in the economy suffer. Supreme Court justices do more than just decide cases in the temple of justice. They make up the rules for all of the courts, from the district court to the small claims court to the Court of Appeals to the Supreme Court. Justice Owens has had plenty of time on the Supreme Court to determine if the rules are consistent with how she believes the law is best served. I don't think they are in the best interests of the people of Washington. I believe those rules should be changed. Just the other day I read an article in the News Tribune that the clerks of many of the district courts were not responding to legitimate requests of citizens to see court papers. The court clerks were telling them they had to pay a fee, or that they were not entitled to see these records, but it was clear they were. The law and the procedure come from the Supreme Court down. The Supreme Court justices are responsible for the present state of our common law, which is a majority of unpublished decisions coming out of the Court of Appeals. Only the Supreme Court can stop this, and it has shown no inclination to do so. If I'm on the Supreme Court, I will do everything I can to make sure that decisions are published and the reasons for the decision is clearly stated in each opinion. I hope you vote Scott Stafne for Justice, position number 2.